So I recently went to Harbor Freight to get some lights. I had seen online that they have this new Braun 18,000 lumen work lights. The lights can detach. They have a stand at $125. Looked like a good deal. So went and picked it up, and I'm going to take a look at it and see how well it works. So these are 18,000 lumen LED lights with an adjustable vertical stand from 33 to 75 inches at 5,000 kelvins. So let's open this up. This is terrible when referring to the instructions. They actually say anything useful here. Not sure what I think about these brackets. Not very impressed with them. We'll see how it goes. So the bracket's attached. Interesting, there's 3 holes on the bottom of the bracket, but where you would attach it to the stand, there's only 1 bolt. And of course, I need a screwdriver. And here it is, all assembled. A couple of pieces I am not sure what I think. So for the vertical adjustment, this is all plastic. And I am definitely concerned about how well that's going to hold up. Same thing down here. That's plastic, and that looks like cheap Chinesium plastic. We'll see how well that holds up. Supposed to have 18,000 lumens. Let's see what happens when we turn it on. All right, so I've got it plugged in. Let's see what happens here. That is pretty bright. So I've got them facing up at the ceiling right now. Let's see what happens when we turn them off and see how much that affects the ambient light. I think that makes a bit of a difference. All right, let's have them point at the ground. Now the lights are mounted to this horizontal bar. Notice it's got feet on it. So it can be taken off the vertical stand, and then that whole unit can be used independently. So if you're needing lights, if you're working under a car or vehicle or someplace down low, take it off the stand and just use this piece as a stand, so they'll sit right on the floor. So right now they look decent, and I'll put them to work and see how well they hold up. So let's look at the lights overall. It's got several pros and cons. The pros are, it's a lot of light for the price. 18,000 lumens for under $125 before taxes. It's pretty cheap. I'm not sure you're going to find anybody else that beats that price. The stand is adjustable from 33 to 75 inches. The top light section is detachable, so it can stand alone. So if you're having to work in some other environment, like under a car, under something else, any place where you need lights to be low, those will work out for you. And the LEDs. So it's LED, and if they're manufactured reasonably well, they should last a long time. Now let's talk about the cons. The biggest con to me is, like I've already pointed out, the cheap plastic being used for the main stand, the height adjustment. Since I did the unboxing and build, this is 2 days later, and I've been playing with it. It's holding up so far, and to be honest, I'm probably not going to be doing a lot of adjustment on that, but I will report back if anything happens. I'll do a follow-up video. And the other con is that it's a Harbor Freight product. Some Harbor Freight products are awesome. Great price for the value. And I use a lot of Harbor Freight products. I use their angle grinders and a bunch of other stuff. For what I do, the quality is more than acceptable. But these Braun lights are new to me. I don't have any experience in this area with them. So we'll just have to wait and see if this is a, hey, this is a buy product from Harbor Freight, or if this is an avoid product from Harbor Freight. So far, it looks like a buy. If you have experience with Braun light products from Harbor Freight, please share your experiences in the comments below. That way we can all learn together.